Welcome, I'm Hannah, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly wrap text in Excel using a simple keyboard shortcut. Wrapping text can be a real time saver, especially when you have long data in cells and want it to fit neatly within the cell without overflowing. Let's dive in. First, select the cell or range of cells where you want to wrap the text. This is where the text will automatically adjust to fit within the cell boundaries. To wrap the text in the selected cell, press Alt+H, then W on your keyboard. And just like that, your text will wrap to fit within the cell, breaking it into multiple lines if necessary, instead of overflowing into adjacent cells. Here is a quick tip. If you ever want to remove the wrap text feature, simply press Alt+H, then W again, to toggle it off. The text will go back to its default behavior. Wrapping text is especially helpful when you're working with headings or long sentences, as it keeps your data clean and organized without messing up the layout of your worksheet. That's it. Now, you know how to quickly wrap text in Excel using this simple shortcut. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more helpful Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.